in and without.
Great, wow, let's learn that.
That's
So-
the story in it.
I've got a steak for your heart.
Okay, so you may wonder why comedians always have a lot of funny story to tell, but actually that's a comedian's life. A comedian always has this kind of joke or wonder in their life. So today I want to tell you a story about a breakup. Did you ever dump a girl?
No,
No? You
no,
are
I'm an
dumped
old
by a girl?
man. Every single time I was dumped by the girl.
Okay, so George, how about you? Have you ever dumped a girl?
No, first relationship.
Okay. Oh, so you guys are boring.
No, we're nice guys. You're not.
Okay. Another question for you. Do you have a car?
Oh yes.
What kind of car do you have?
White
The brand? Brand?
Toyota.
Suck. Okay, so
Yes, but it's mine.
I have a very close friend, a nice friend. Let's call him Jerry. Okay, Jerry. He's very talented. He's a handsome guy, and he had a hot chick as a girlfriend. Wow, nice, good job. And yeah, all the relationship comes to an end, right? So they need to break up. That's the story. So, you know, the Jerry he was very sad because actually he was in love with that girl very deeply. But another friend, let's call him David, someone else, he said that, "Whoa, hey Jerry, come on! You are not a loser. You are handsome. You are talented. How about that? You just randomly pick another girl and start a new relationship, and your life will become, you know, you won't be a loser anymore." So this Jerry said that, "Oh yeah, that's a good idea. How about that? I got to meet the girl. I got to meet the ex-girlfriend. Maybe in 2 days. So I can bring this new girlfriend to my ex-girlfriend to show her that, oh yeah, I got another one. I dumped you." Okay, so the Jerry, he drove a car. Actually, for a college student, it's kind of successful if you drive a car. So he drive a car, and with the new girlfriend sitting on the other seat in the front. So they drive to the ex-girlfriend, and I don't know what they are talking about, but just something unimportant, like they have something to give and return and something else to really finish this relationship. So, okay, that's how he did to humiliate the ex-girlfriend. Oh yeah, the girlfriend knows. So now, something just happened. They need to meet again. So the ex-girlfriend called the Jerry to say, "Oh yeah, we need to meet someone else, and so I will meet you at that place somewhere." Okay, so Jerry thinks that, okay, why not just another meeting? Okay, good. So he went to the place they meet, and you know what happened? This ex-girlfriend, she was inside a Porsche, a white Porsche. And you know what? That's a story. If you try to humiliate an ex-girlfriend, remember that you have a good car. And okay, sorry, I forgot to mention that what kind of car Jerry drives. Actually, it's a March, not a very old-fashioned March, and it's an old car. It's his daddy's car. So compared to a Porsche, so you know who is humiliated. That's all. Thank you.